Hello guys, please join me. Thank you so much.